So to place door, simply click on a specified dimension and then place it. So simply click on the wall. From this visual style, we choose a consistent color. So this tutorial is basically about how we can place doors inside walls in Revit. For placing doors, we firstly create a wall. Simply click here and then place a wall of any thickness. Let's assume 8 inch. Select a level 1 to level 2. After that, this door in wall, we simply click on the door icon here. So after that, you can see there are the different type of doors. You can also import door from the library. For that, simply click on the load family. So this is the English Imperial family of Autodesk. There is a doors, different type of doors, commercial, hardware, and residential. Let's do the residential door. So here you can see type of doors. Let's select a full glass wood door panel and open. After, you can select any type of dimensions and press OK. So here we have imported this full glass wood door. So to place door, simply click on a specified dimension and then place it. As you can see, we cannot place door in anywhere. We have to place door on a wall. So simply click on the wall. As you can see, the temporary dimension gives us the hint. Let's we create a door at the midway. So simply press click. We have created a door. To see this door, we simply go to 3D view. As you can see, we have created a door. From this visual style, we choose a consistent color. So you can see we place a door inside our wall. To change the dimensions of this door, let's say we want a 5 by 7 feet dimensions. For this, we simply go on edit type, then click on the duplicate. Let's name it 5 feet by 7 feet. We can change the dimensions of it. Let's click on 7. Apply OK. We have changed the dimensions of our door. In this way, we place other doors. Let's go on level 1. Place the simple door. Single wood door. We can change the direction of this door by clicking on space bar. From these icons, we can also change its dimension. So to place another door, you simply click on the load family and again select a door type. Let's select this door type. type, click OK. Any dimensions. If we want a 3 by 6 feet door, to create 3 by 6 feet door, simply click on edit type, go on duplicate 3 feet by, it's okay. Change its dimension 3 feet 6 feet. We can also place door in 3D view. So, change its direction by clicking on spacebar or from here. 3D view, you can check the door dimensions. Let's create another type of door. Go to door, node family. Now we choose a commercial type of doors. Doors. These are the commercial type of doors. Let's select. As you can, this is a revolving full glass metal door. These are different type of commercial doors. Let's select a revolving full glass metal door. Open. Any dimension of door. That's okay. Now to place it, let's go on level 1 door. This selected. Now we can place this door. We have placed this door. Now click on the 3D view. You can see we have placed a 3D revolving door. Oh, now we check another type of door. Family. Doors. Here there are the different type of doors. So this is the overhead rolling, or we can say shutter. So to choose it, simply press OK. Level 1. These are the different dimensions. We can change the dimension of it. Place it simply. Here. In 3D view, we can check this view. We have placed a overhead rolling gate. Let's change its dimensions. We can change its thickness 0 to 2. And press OK. Let's turn this wall to from unconnected. Change its direction. Level 1. Change its direction. In this way we can create multiple doors, whether it is commercial, residential, or a shop door. So this is a basic tutorial about how we can place doors in Revit. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question, kindly ask in comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.